Hey everybody, it's Lynn, and I'm doing a short video right now because I noticed in the last video that my game volume was a little too loud. I think the problem is that I have the squeaky voice and I'm not all manly and stuff, and so it's hard to hear my voice over the noise of the game. So I'm going to do this test really quick and see if my voice volume is better. Oh, there's all kinds of zombies here. If my voice volume is higher than the game volume. It's kind of very important. Oh, and then here comes all kinds of zombies. Zombies. I don't have a sword. Jump over them. Jump over them. Run from the zombies. I forgot that happened. All those zombies spawned. And I'm pretty sure I don't have a sword. I have a pickaxe. Okay, so I can hit him with the pickaxe. With the pickaxe that I have. Let's do that. Stop it. 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 Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh, I died. So it's no. Where am I going and why am I floating? Alright. Swimmy, swimmy. Come on, swimmy, swimmy. You know you want to. Swimmy, swimmy. See if we can get out of the water. Swim, lemur, swim. So if you're watching this video, let me know if the audio in this one is better than the last one. It sounds better. It's not over my voice, so that's good. So I think it sounds better. I think I finally figured out the volume that's required to hear the lemur. We'll see. I'll play this one back to myself here in a minute and see what happens. So it sounds pretty good. Died. Stop. Go away. Go away, zombie. Oh, now I lost my... Go in the hole. You go in the hole too. You too. Oh, they're not going far enough down. Okay. Respawn. I died. Oh my god. Oh, did you ever imagine in your life that I would just fall and die just like that? I would never just die. What would I ever do that for? Holy cow! Dying is like the worst thing ever. Right? Right. Well, we're not gonna go over there yet because we don't have a sword. Oh, we're gonna fall in a hole though. How about that instead? Ah, there's Bob. Go away, Bob. Alright, never mind, I'm gonna die. I still can't remember the very important thing that I was gonna tell you guys earlier. But I'm sure it's very, very important. Maybe I'll stay over here on the sand, because they can't get to me over here. I'll just do a couple more lucky blocks, just to test out the, the volume. Oi! Hearts! Ah! Okay, nothing happened. Oh, look, a sword! Oh, I got it! Oh, it's a hero sword. Okay, let me go over here and start smacking on some people. Zombie-type critters. Oh, I found a really large hole. Whoopsie. I've been using the lucky blocks to get myself out of holes, so I think I'll just do it. Hope I hit the right button. Right button. Okay. Oh, I don't have my sword. Ah! I had my sword out. I wasn't ready. Wasn't ready to be hit in the head. I'm on the other side. How cool. How uncool. Where's the stairs? Man, I'm gonna walk up I should set my spawn point over there and stop it doing this. I got my sword out, right? I'm all ready and prepared for whoever... Where'd Bob go? Bob! Bob? Okay, I'll just leave Bob down there because he's pretty dangerous. But I only have a little bit of armor, and he's got a lot of armor. But I can go over here and smack on these guys, and they die pretty quick. Ha 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 ha! I feel so awesome! I feel so awesome! Because I hit a zombie with a sword. He's dead. Maybe my sword is better than what I think it is. Because it was a one-hit kind of thing. Let's see, where'd Bob go? Bob! Hello, Bob! Oh, Bob! Oh, my friend Bob, where are you? Oh, I'm coming down. Where are you at? I don't see Bob. Bob despawn? Ah! Okay, there, I found Bob. There he is. Let me go smack him. Oh, there, dog. My dog is getting him. Get him, dog. Oh, there, Bob died. Did I get Bob's sword? Oh, I got his chest plate. I'll take his chest plate. I wouldn't complain about a chest plate. See what it got me. Oh, I don't have any armor of any kind on. Nobody told me that. All this time I was thinking I was invincible. And I don't have any armor of any kind on. Okay. Let's see, how do we get out of here? Where's my fancy stairs that I made? I want to kind of blow up just a few things. Just for, you know, fun. There's my dog. Okay, there's my stairs. Sweet. Let me put a couple of these, you know, TNT blocks down and see what happens. Oh, a chest full of cars and TNT. You better go sit down somewhere. You're gonna get... Sit. Blown up. There's a hat. I don't have a hat. Let's get it. Put it on our head. Is it a hat? Broken creeper hunter helmet. Okay, well, I'm gonna put it on my head. Try a couple more. Doggy, you're so close. You're ah! Okay. So there's my audio test. If you're watching this, let me know how that went. Does it sound okay? Because I'm struggling with this stupid audio. How weird does it gotta be for my squeaky voice to be heard on the video? Audio, not video. Audio. If you like my goofy obnoxiousness, hit that subscribe button and we will make more. Have a great day.